Alright, day 2 is beginning. We're going to start by heading over towards the Muscle Shoals. You pick up Natchez Trace over there. But first, before we get too far out of town, close there, strap, up, locked, locked, good. Okay, we can get going. If this can get up. Alrighty, let's get over and get some petrol. Yeah, I don't want Shell, because Shell, while they got good premium, they flipping rook you when it comes to getting it. Everywhere else is, 70 cents more. Shell is sometimes, I've seen it as high as $1.25 more than regular. This bike is smart. When it's low on gas, it gives you a little light. Really? My old one, when it ran out of gas, it stops. The shoulders are all soaked, so yeah, it just we're fixing to head into some rain. Here it comes. Sometimes you just gotta, like Nemo, just keep swimming, or is it, what was the Ellen DeGeneres' character in Finding Nemo? I don't even remember. Just keep swimming, you'll get through it, just keep going. These will dry out, they always do. Ooh, okay, we back. I can get my glasses on. Get underneath there. There you go. My belly's full now, so, it's not Shoney's, but, good stuff. Yeah, you got good stuff at the Cracker Barrel. A little more than I would have spent at the Bear, but the Bear looked like they were closed. We'll get a chance somewhere else, because there'll be enough. Yeah, we'll see. One thing I think we're gonna make a change. We may try to hit the Dragon today, at least once. Oh, shut up, you. It looked like the Best Buy in Huntsville actually had the charger, so that's where we're going first. That is where we are going next, which is fine because it's a little over an hour away, and should be just about the amount of gas we have left. Enough to make it there. Watch, keys, wallet. You're zipped up, you're locked, and you're zipped up. Okay. You're in gear still, which is fine. Everything's zipped up here. Yeah, it looks good. Still haven't touched my water bottle. Oh, bad thing about going to Cracker Barrel is, it'd take you an hour. That looks like it could be rain over there. Crow Creek. These are big fucking creeks. Consider the size of the Kankakee River by us. I mean, good God, these are flipping huge. Can't swing a dead cat without hitting another Dollar General. We're probably a little bit higher in elevation, probably like 2,500 feet, 3,000 feet, something like that. near the elevation we were at 2 years ago. About 2 years ago and a week ago, we were at 11,000. We peaked at 11,909, I think it is. And I think that's what Loveland Pass is at, 11,909. The tunnel is like 11,3. Vale Pass is like 10,6. I mean, I know kind of how I'm getting there. I know I got to get on 75 north and get to, I think it's Cleveland, Tennessee. And you pick up US 74 there, which basically ends up in Cherokee. Alright, we're back. Fresh battery. We are in Robbinsville. About to start the Dragon. She was a quart low on oil, so I don't think that would have a do reason where it was missing, but got moon pies. I wonder if they got RC Cola. There's some more. There's some more. Sport bike guys. Jigzer boys. Jigsers and Ninjas and CBRs. I don't think that would explain why it was missing, but I mean, the air filter was wet. So, yeah. 8:30 ain't too bad. 8:30 here time. Should be worst case scenario. I'll be able to get something. Do that, right? Yep, we're good. I just making sure I have my chin strap buckled. Alrighty, back up north. North to Alaska. Go north, the rush is on. The Hub restaurant, the grand opening. I may have just seen a motorcycle going that way. Maybe. That would definitely be good if he was. Even better if he's got a Santa. See, that's why Wiener Wagon was not supposed to be there. Trailers longer than 30 feet are prohibited. We got 12 miles till we get to the actual Dragon. at the moment it is not raining. And I got some blue sky behind me. Maybe we'll get lucky. Maybe. Probably not. Damn it. This thing is messed up. This thing is messed up. Stupid camera. Stupid GoPro. I wonder if I grabbed the wrong battery. Maybe. Possible. I don't know. Stupid GoPro. That's alright. We're doing this again tomorrow anywho, so hopefully it don't rain. You gotta stop, right? Where is this guy going? I lost my battery. Oh, fudge. Oh, shit. Oh, that's not good. Did I just do what I think I did?